Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Right here in this amazing video, I'll be teaching you how to be earning generous USDT from this amazing bot. So this app is designed for you to be mining your free USDT, making instant withdrawal, make referrals to earn rebate commission of every valid invite which you make. So the first step which I'll be showing is how to get yourself registered by inputting your email address, your login password, confirm your password, enter your security password, confirm your security password, make use of my invitation code, hit up on register button. So guys, as you can see right here, I've already got an account with the site, so I'll be logging in straight up to show you how the platform actually works and how it actually looks like. So stay tuned as I log in to show you how the platform works. Input my email address. Once I've inputted my email address, I will input my password. Once I've inputted my password, then I'll log in to show you how the platform works and how it actually looks like. So guys, stay tuned as I input my details by hitting up on login button. By hitting up on login button, I'll be redirected straight up to the platform. And wow, this is how the platform looks like. The latest announcement, the major deal, quantitative big model platform, full automatic and AI management and fast transition to earn daily quantitative income. Invite friends to join the investment reward and enjoy high discount for level 3 subordinate and also through the invitation lead. Read this to the very end to know more about the site. So guys, let me show you step by step how to earn, which number one is by making invite, by hitting up on invite link here. By hitting up on invite link, guys, you send your friend invitation links and complete the registration, get rebate commission. And this is my invitation link. I'll be leaving it on the description and the comment section. Also check on my Telegram channel to see the link there. Click on it, get yourself registered, have rebate commission. Also share to your external Facebook, LinkedIn, and also your Twitter, your Telegram, and also your WhatsApp group. So guys, let me show you more ways to earn on this side, which another one is by making recharge. Hit up on recharge. By making recharge here, you have to purchase a bot to be enabling you mining without your concept, and you come straight up to make instant withdrawal. And these are all network which you can make use of recharge into this site. Your BIP20 USDT, your TR20 USDT, your TRS, your BNB, your BIP20 USDT, which I'll be making use of BIP20 USDT. So all you have to do, not before switching recharge account, please confirm that the previous recharge has been received, and the quantitative account to make recharge into the account for intelligent quantifier returns. You make recharge into the account can be used in crowdfunding. So you copy this your wallet and they drop you on your exchange, make your minimum recharge to purchase a bot which will be helping you mining straight up on this side. After making your minimum recharge, hit up on recharge complete. Once you hit up on recharge complete, the amount will be automatically deposited right there, and you'll have excessive purchase a bot. Before making any recharge, do well to make your personal research. For I'm not a financial expert to give you new financial advice. So guys, on the quantification note, I will hit up on quantification. So by hitting up on quantification, as you can see, it starts from VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, VIP 14, VIP 15, down to your highest VIP, which is VIP 19. And you can also unlock VIP here by clicking on any VIP level. And also you can make one-time the quantification on this side. Know that you have already purchased a bot which is helping you mining currently, so hit up on AI quantification, and the bot which you purchase will automatically start quantifying for you and in your percentage. As you can see right here, my bot is helping me purchasing, and I'll earning my amount and make instant withdrawal. As you can see, I've earned this amount of 2.300 USDT, and I'll show you how to make instant withdrawal from this side. Hit up on me. Once you hit up on me, hit up on withdraw. Once you hit up on withdrawal, we are making use of BIP20 USDT. Let's head up to our wallet to copy the BIP20 USDT. Hit up on deposit, hit up on deposit crypto, hit up on USDT. Once you hit up on USDT, hit up on BIP20 USDT, then drag it to the end, copy. Once you copy, come back to the side. Once you come back to the side, guys, we are going to make instant withdrawal from this side by long pressing the withdrawal address here. Then enter the amount, which is 2.30 USDT. Enter your withdrawal password. Once you enter your withdrawal password, we are going to make instant withdrawal from this side to be sure that the platform is really unique and amazing. So you hit up on withdrawal. Once you hit up on withdrawal, the amount will be credited right to your wallet. So we are going straight up to our wallet to confirm the payment if we have received this amount of USDT and if the platform is really unique. So stay tuned as we confirm the payment here. You can see we have received this amount of USDT and the platform is really unique and amazing. Thank you for staying with us. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit up on your subscription button, turn on your notification bell, give the video a thumbs up and a comment pending when new update will be dropping so that you get notified.